Huh. Haji ride diri seh. Experience meh tau 70 tahun. Nah, nak tengok main. Pakai Royal Enfield Scram. Scram 411. Woo, look at the valley in front. Look at the scenery, guys. Wah, so rocky. Don't know the suspension can tahan lah. This one tire, road tire one ni. Look at that view. Look at that view. Look at that view. Woohoo! Wow, very long way to go, man. Look like Mongolia like that. Whoa, look at the blue lake. Oh, we are crossing the river on the bridge. Alright guys, we had this one is called river, not stream This one not stream not longkang This one is a river, blue river, look at that. Actually blue in colour. People are having a picnic there. They have a food truck. Yep. And this is our bikes here. Look at that, man, behind us. Oh, look at that. This is where all the cars pass by. Magnificent, magnificent. Wow, the view behind the bike is so nice. The view behind the bike is all the mountain areas. This country is so big, bigger than Singapore. Don't know how many times, 1,000 times. Wow, the kid take a photo with me. So take a photo on the bike together. I think they came here for family vacation. Yeah. Okay, jam. Mau pergi McDonald apa?
Jom man, time constraint.
Tampines Mall kat depan je Tampines Mall. Okay, we are crossing the bridge with my little doggy here. I'm not crossing the bridge Let's go. Woo! Off-road sih. Gravel. Woo! Okay guys, we are going to Pangong Lake. We'll be reaching there probably about 2 to 3 hours. Now it's already about 1 PM. Maybe we target to reach about 3 PM. After we jalan-jalan there. Woo! Woo! Open road ahead. I like the contrast, between the brown mountains and also the green trees below. Very nice, makes the landscape looks wonderful. Just a single track of road together with the mountains at the left and the side. Nice, man. Cool. What happened this one? Bike spoil lah. Oh, big lorry. You have to masuk the off-road slightly. Look at that. Look at the road in front. Together with the cliff falling down to the right side, and beside it just the river. Oh, cool, man. Look at that. Jakun never see before. There's a lot of comments, but it's nice to see, exciting, something different. No? Are we? Might not. Oh no lah. Not crossing the bridge. Oh, second gear no power. Must drop first. Actually this bike only 5 gear, that's why the ratio is a bit too wide. If it's 6 gear, it's just nice. I mean, yeah, 6 gear. The ratio not so bad. Somehow 400cc give 6 gear lah. Lama 5 gear lah. Okay guys, my helmet mount Osmo Action 4 looking good. connect to my power bank behind,
Okay, that one we
and I also connect to the Bluetooth remote near my clutch area. So anything I want to record, I will press lah. Don't need to press here. Here leceh lah, my glove cannot feel lah. Alamak, berabuk lah. I think there's some change in the schedule, guys, tomorrow.
You have a day. Yeah, we have a day, but then I will check with the guys whether they want to spend extra days in Leh or not. Because they want to spend time in Leh, want to shop or what, I don't know. I need to. You're having
Lunch.
okay. I can confirm, yeah. Okay, can.
Okay. Okay. So there's a road closure. Huh?
Road closure in Barachala. No, Baralachala.
Road closure in Barachala. So now we need to replan our route. Okay, we go.
Road closure bila? Nari punya route ke?
I don't know lah. Next few days because of the snowy snowfall lah. Snowfall kan?
Snowstorm.
Snowstorm.
They didn't clear the road.
They haven't cleared the road so no choice. Never mind. We will talk over in lunch guys. Off-road again. Woohoo! You see? See that one? All the way straight like macam Dakar rally sia. This one can whack no? Third gear. What are you doing? Bye-bye. Hey, let's go. We leave him here. Okay, tarik. Okay, kan jadi. It's a fast ride, 80 kilometers per hour on the Himalayan. I'm actually sitting on my rear backpack. Half squat. We are crossing a bridge. Oh, look at the river, man. Look at the river. We are crossing the bridge. Cool bridge. I like this bridge because in Singapore don't have. Singapore got a Benjamin Sheares Bridge. River, Blue River, my favorite. Blue River. Those guys, it's so nice here. Look at that. Why is the color blue? Is it because the ice or the snow melts, then become the river here? I don't know. Fascinated by it since just now or yesterday. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at the view, man. Wow, baik view. Look at that. Going down all the way straight. Just beside the river bank. They are throwing rocks, man. And I am here going down. Should I even macam limbah balik. Imagine limbah doing at Zanskar. Alamak, tell you, don't need to stay here. Woohoo! Crossing the bridge, this is the requirements. Cannot no overloading. 24R. Whoo! Look at the stream, guys. So nice. Drunken driving is injurious to health, yours and others. Understand not? If you drink, don't drive. Okay guys, we already arrived at our lunch spot. Di manakah ini? KNS KNS restaurant yes, this is the place, restaurant. We are at Ang Yam Villa and Cafe guys. Ang Yam Villa and Cafe.
Omelette dengan Maggi, mana satu kau nak?
Dua-dua.
Dua-dua?
Bread omelette and Maggi kan?
Yes.
Dua-dua.
Dua-dua kau nak?
Bread omelette and Maggi.
Betul lah kau ni.
Yeah. So apparently they have only 2 menus, the Maggi mee and also the bread omelette. But it's okay. We have our daging masak hitam and our Hajar Maimunah kacang ikan bilis. Oh, so many stickers Hot.
Habis kalau macam yang
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Oh, ni orang dari mana?
Malaysia.
Hello, ma.
Jiran.
Jiran You naik motor
First day.
First day. Lepas tu naik kereta all the way
Tapi lepas ni datang balik lah dengan kawan.
No problem. So we have a Maggi and egg bread.
Siapa dia?
Aku nak.
Siapa aku? Good.
Betul Maggi.
Nice.
Give me.
The Maggi with Hajar Maimunah kacang ikan bilis and the egg.
So from Hanle to Umingla, straight to Leh. So the distance from
Leh to
Hanle
Umlingla, after Umlingla straight to Leh.
to Leh.
To Leh. Oh.
But the total the travel time is about 3 hours. So you can
the
imagine
terrain
this, yes, means
the
it's
terrain
off-road or this thing lah.
Okay.
The distance is not far, about 90 km.
Don't worry.
But
we
mostly
have
people I
expert
asked,
here.
he took about 2 hours, 3 hours to cover that 90 km.
So that means go only 3 hours, but come back another 3 hours.
Yeah. So, but you must understand, we go, we stop, take photo, right? Maybe longer.
At
This is,
Ladakh. Okay, come.
Beef rendang with
Beef rendang
Pilaf,
with
right?
yes.
Okay, this
All
one
the way
must-
from Angsana JB
Yes, correct.
Yaman.
So
Yeah,
must,
man.
must
Johor
add on
Mari.
Tomorrow is Ajit's birthday, guys. So we must wish him all the best for his birthday. Tomorrow we wish again lah. Okay.
Tomorrow with my wife lah.
Okay.
Same lah.
Oh, this is inside lah. The restaurant inside cabin is here. Wow, when you eat you can see the window view from outside. Oh, this is the counter. Hello, how are you? Nice place to have a short pit stop and eat Maggi mee Maggi cube.
Happy Meal.
Happy meal Tu pun tak cukup Tak cukup Boleh lah, makan je lah Maggi. Let's go guys, come on. Rimba Road. Road is hilly, don't drive silly. Style lu Look at that. Look at the river. Whoo, it's flowing under the bridge. Definitely a nice one, man. Whew, cantik Okay, we are crossing the bridge. Under the bridge downtown.
Nanti kat depan dia satu kampung, Tangza. Kita top up petrol kat situ.
Okay. Depan there's a depan lah, in front there's a village called Pangdong. Is it Pangdong? I don't know, I forget lah what you say. And from there we top up petrol. Woo! We are right under the rocks in the middle of it. Oh, nice scenery. Nice scenery, man. Look at that. Ah, the road is just beside the river. We are like in the middle of nowhere. Wow, off-road again, guys. Off-road, second gear, please. Oh, front wash up, man. My front tire botak lagi. Here we go again. Going to the off-road. Off-road must third gear lah. Just now 4th gear lah. Not enough lah. Out here no power. Come on, blast. Wow, I love this scenery. Look at that. Look at the mountain view there. With all the mountains, with the snow on top. Alamak, off-road. Amak masuk off-road lagi. Tak perasan aku. Tu lah, tengok scenery je. The speedometer also bergegar warna di sana. Terlajak lah bro. Terlajak lah bro. Tahu lah macam malu je. Rim baret. Second gear dan no power deh. Teruk man di sana. Second gear sana no power. Woo, off-road. So many off-road. Woo, kau kena ada belly pants ya, katang kau. San, watch this gear, second gear okey lah. Ya, apa ni orang ni? Depan lah sikit, tak boleh, kena. Whoa, the snowy mountain gain, the snow cone. Lot of puput ah, you Mr. Lembu. Huh? Where you going? Lepak one corner nampak? This is a small town ah. Oh, on the bend, slow friends. Please slow down, y'all. Keep it at 5th gear. I really scared the show. Beside me is really the cliff lah, gaung lah. This one not gaung, this one really mountain. It was fall down ah. Aduh. See lah, I scared to look on the left side no. I don't know why ah. No barricade sama. Better slow down. Ngeri sure. I don't want to look at the left side of the mountain. It's like when you see the gradient ah, it's like so high up. You at the foot of the mountain, man. Really scary sia. Ini takutnya aku. Oh, another bridge. Cool bridge. Okay, so we are going to the other side of the mountain. Haha. My way or the highway. Woo. Wow, very cool sah. Di mana? Try hard. Train hard, fight hard. Train hard, fight hard. You never train hard kau lazy mah. Alright guys, we have arrived. After a few hours, 1 or 2 hours ride, we have arrived. On my right side, just crossed the bridge. So we are doing a permit here at the police station first. Yeah. Wow, look at that man. Look at that. Apa pernah rim baret completion. This one nothing for you lah. Alamak, please. Apa? Tak boleh lah. Ni kaki kentut ada ni. Down here for the next 11 days must always use our neck scarf. Standby. I always wondered why somebody didn't do something to keep environment clean. Then I realized that I'm that somebody. Don't use plastic. Use reusable bag. Understand not? Okay, let's enter the restaurant.
Dalam, belakang dalam. Ni ada coklat.
Oh, got sell chocolate here. Dairy milk. What chocolate they have? Oh, they got Himalayan chocolate lah. It's something special. Never see before. Yeah, this made in Ladakh.
They're made in Himachal.
Oh, very nice. How much is one?
It's 110.
Huh?
110.
410. Wow. Okay, that's nice. What flavor you have?
We have 3 flavors. This is pink salt.
Pink salt.
Yeah. This is roasted badam.
Okay, we are now at the restaurant drinking chai. Tired is it? Huh?
Very tired.
Very tired. Alamak, cannot lah like that. Cannot lah. Procom cannot tired.
Got 2 different chocolates.
Yeah,
It's
this is Ladakhi.
Ladakh chocolate. Ladakh roasted barley. This one is Himalayan pink salt.
Ada, sedap. Aku punya ada
Pink salt. Pink
Oh, very nice
salt.
chai. Sikit.
Alamak, manja lah. Oh, pink salt.
Habis bini kau tak ada, aku jadi bini kau lah.
Okay, rasa. Ni pink salt.
Mana
Alah, aku nak. Ni dia.
Very nice ah.
Himalayan pink salt.
No, chocolate pink salt.
Nah.
Wah, coklat.
Bagaimana pink salt? Rasa?
Macam juga.
You can taste the pink salt. It's very nice.
Pink salt.
Huh?
That
Oh lama. Really? This is the heat pad ah?
Hmm.
Oh lama. Teruk this fella.
Dekat hotel nanti baru rasa panas.
So you need to take out the heat pad and wait for a bit more long lah.
Oh, this is
Dekat kat here pula.
Yalah,
Rasa
really a bit
kalau
warm
kat hotel
lah.
rasa.
Oh,
Because tangan kita dah
sebal lah.
dah sebab. Betul?
Okay, this is what?
Okay, let me see. Ladakh roasted barley.
Okay.
This one there is some peanut at the back. Peanut.
Oh, this not peanut lah, barley lah. Kau ni dah potek dah tu, potek pula.
Okay, let's try. Okay, this one is peanut. Okay,
Rasa hitam.
barley.
Manja semua.
Barley.
Lelaka macam tan.
Baru.
Can taste the barley ah. One more question.
Last one lah.
Last question.
Ada disclaimer je last.
What's a quarter of an hour?
15 minutes.
This my friend. This is my friend, okay? Thank you.
No problem. Mangga betul.
Okay, we do teka-teki apa?
Okay, Iman, teka-teki Mangga apa yang tak boleh dimakan?
Mangga padlock lah.
Oh, pandai lah.
Betul lah.
Betul lah.
Alamak. Pandai ah.
Tak ada. Tak ada soalan ikan.
Ikan apa yang tak malu?
Ikan apa tak tahu malu? Semua ikan tak pakai baju. Semua tak malu. Ikan you.
Ikan selah.
Anak ikan. Anak ikan pun.
Adi, apa
ikan
answer?
malu apa?
Apa dengan soalan?
Dalam banyak-banyak ikan apa tak tahu malu?
Tak tahu malu. Asyik ikan tak tahu malu.
Apa lah?
Adin.
Sardin lah.
Sardin.
Ini kau.
Sardin je kau.
Darah up. Macam yang teka-teki kasi buat darah up.
Perangai so ni bukan teka-teki saya. Ni nak kena keropok je. Oh, budak-budak playground kecil lah. Tengok ni. See the kids playground down here. Okay guys, we are this petrol station Indian Oil. And guess what? We are at the world's highest altitude retail outlet in the world, guys. 12,933 feet. Woohoo! That's the highest retail outlet in the world. This is damn cool. Nice. Woo! It's the mountain road. Wow, this road is better, sah. Got 2 lane. Just now no lane at all. 1 lane ni. Magnificent view. Magnificent view. Oh, yes, we are reaching Pangong Lake soon. The board says about, I don't know, 1 kilometer. I don't know whether true or not lah. Wow, I think sometimes all these are river lah. These are all the river bed. Wow, look at that, man. Look at that. Look at this Firdaus driving alone. Riding alone, the curves there. Look at him. Oh, nice, man. Nice view. Yes, guys, we have arrived at Pangong Lake. Oh, the lake damn big there. It's like until that side, never ending one. Okay, now Iskandar is going to say something for his video. Let's see what he going to say. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action.
Welcome to Pangong Lake. It's surrounded with all the mountains, with all mountain peaks, with snow cap. Look at that, very blue.
Snow cap apa? Aku main snow cap apa, Syul?
Snow cap lah, snow cap mountain.
Alamak, tak boleh jadi video log lah dia macam. Tak pas, tak boleh. Repeat. Habis video log apa kau tengok sana ke belakang kamera. Ini cameraman pun satu.
Dia tak ambil aku punya gambar. Dia pergi sana pula.
Tak boleh lah macam. Alright guys, we have reached Pangong Lake finally. After many hours, we left from the other side. We arrived here in the late afternoon. Sejuk apa? Sejuk bro. Look at the blue color. Look at the water, so bluish, man. Ooh, look at that. Look at the landscape. Look at the landscape, guys. Look at the landscape. It's wonderful, magnificent. Welcome to Bedok Reservoir. No lah, this one better lah. At least MacRitchie lah.
Okay, welcome to MacRitchie.
Welcome to MacRitchie Reservoir. Yes, we finally arrived. Okay, now time. Okay, not only that lah. You see the mountain, the Powdery Mountain there. Oh, see, Powdery Mountain there. So nice. It's like a few sisters, one family of mountains. Not okay ah? Menggigil tubuh ini. Lagu apa tu? Lagu apa? Apa title lah?
Lagu Menggigil. Menggigil di Himalayan.
Menggigil penyanyi daripada Singapura, Ajit.
Mana ada Singapura. Ni penyanyi daripada Indonesia.
Ya Pak, Indonesia Pak.
Bandung.
Dia kalau buka emas, ingus semua terkeluar, Syul.
Bandung.
Ci. Uzing si. Ci. Full view of the Pangong Lake, guys. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, look at the mountains at the front there. Oh, look at that. Look at the front there. Look at the mountain, the Powdery Mountain on top there. You see, I actually quite scared of this thing. Scared to go to the left side. Crazy or what? Jatuh. Tak boleh modal, babe.